you know that gulls belong to the family Laridae, which includes about 50+ species worldwide? Origins. Gulls evolved from shorebird ancestors around 30 to 40 million years ago. They are related to birds like terns and skimmers. Fossil evidence shows early gull-like birds appearing in the Oligocene epoch. Expansion. Over time, gulls spread across all continents, especially coastal regions. Some species adapted to inland lakes, rivers, and even cities. 2. Habitat and distribution. Gulls are among the most widespread birds on Earth. Where they live: coastal areas, beaches, cliffs, estuaries, inland lakes and rivers, urban environments, cities, landfills. Why they thrive everywhere: highly adaptable diet, strong flying ability, intelligence and social learning. 3. Feeding behavior, how they eat. Gulls are opportunistic omnivores, meaning they eat almost anything. Natural diet: fish caught near the surface, crustaceans, crabs, shrimp, mollusks, clams, mussels, insects, small animals. Unique feeding strategies: dropping shells from height to break them open, stealing food from other birds, kleptoparasitism, following fishing boats for scraps, feeding at landfills and human waste areas, urban feeding, chips, bread, garbage, not ideal but common. 4. Intelligence and social behavior. Gulls are surprisingly smart. Intelligence traits: problem solving, for example, shell dropping, memory of food locations, learning from other gulls. Social behavior: live in colonies, especially when breeding, use calls and body language to communicate, defend territory aggressively during nesting. 5. Flight and movement. Gulls are excellent flyers built for efficiency. Flight characteristics: long, narrow wings for gliding, can soar for hours with minimal effort, use wind currents skillfully. Migration: some species migrate long distances, others stay year-round if food is available. 6. Shelter and nesting. Gulls don't build complex nests, but they are strategic. Nesting habits: nesting colonies, called rookeries, choose cliffs, beaches, rooftops, in cities. Nest structure: made of grass, twigs, feathers, simple but effective. Reproduction: lay 2 to 3 eggs, both parents incubate. Chicks hatch covered in down and are semi-mobile. 7. Life cycle: egg stage, incubation approximately 3 to 4 weeks. Chick stage, fed by parents. Juvenile stage, learning to fly and forage. Adult stage, breeding maturity in a few years. Lifespan: typically 10 to 20 years, some live longer. 8. Behavior and survival strategies. Defense: loud calls to warn others, dive-bombing predators and humans. Group defense in colonies. Adaptability: thrive in polluted or human-altered environments. Shift diet based on availability. 9. Relationship with humans. Gulls have a long history of interaction with humans. Positive roles: clean up waste, natural scavengers, indicator of ecosystem health. Conflicts: noise in cities, stealing food, overpopulation in urban areas. 10. Types of gulls. Examples. Some well-known species include herring gull, laughing gull, black-headed gull, great black-backed gull. 11. Physical characteristics. Webbed feet for swimming, strong beaks for tearing food, waterproof feathers. Colors: usually white, gray, black. 12. Adaptations. Gulls survive in harsh conditions thanks to salt glands, can drink seawater, flexible diet, strong immune systems, ability to live near humans. 13. Fun and lesser-known facts. Gulls can recognize human faces. They teach feeding tricks to their young. Some species use tools indirectly, dropping prey. They can sleep while floating on water. Final summary. Gulls are ancient, adaptable birds, skilled flyers and opportunistic feeders, social, intelligent, and resilient, equally at home on cliffs, oceans, or busy cities. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.